Good morning. This is Keith All. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to add or use the progress bar element in the Builderall platform. And this is an example of what we're going to be building. It's really simple to work with. If I click on preview, you can watch what happens. See how it progresses up to the level that you want it to. So let's go back, return to edit. Let's switch over to a new tab so we could see how I did this. So basically, get into the Pixel Perfect editor and let's add an image. First of all, I'm going to click on this plus sign and then let's select image. And now give it a second. It's my internet is slow. Give it a be patient. So I'm going to select this top element up here. Okay, the image element finally loaded, and all we have to do now is select a new image for this element. So what we do is now right click on this element and we're going to select change image. And now it brings up our directory, our repository, where we could store our own files on the Builderall server. So basically, I already have this image already preloaded, and it's this one right here. So I'm going to select it and then click confirm, and it's loaded. Now let's resize this just a bit. And I'm just, in order for me to resize this, I'm just selecting this round toggle right here and clicking and dragging it. So our next step is, well, first of all, let me tell you something about this image. I created this image in Photoshop, and this white area that's outlined in black is transparent. So what does that mean? Any element that I place behind this image, you'll be able to see through in this area. So I'm going to give you an example. I'm going to take a element and I'm going to take a box, and I'm going to select any one of these boxes, and it's going to load up. So basically what's going to happen now, I'm going to right click on this box and I'm going to send it to back, meaning I'm going to put this image behind this area, behind my front image. So as you can see, that image, so you could see that image is now being able just to see through this white area on this particular image. So let's now let's send this to back. And let's delete this box. Let's bring this over here again. And now let's add the progress bar element. So we come over here, click on the plus sign to add our elements, and we're going to come down to animated counters right here. Select that. And what we're going to do is we're going to select the progress bar. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to be able to put this progress bar behind this particular image element, and of course we want it to be vertical. So right now it's horizontal, and all we have to do is see this little circular round arrow. That's when we hover over it, we can rotate it. So now we want the progress to go up and down once the page loads initially. So I'm going to go ahead and resize it. Okay, what we want to do is we want to size it to the point where it matches up to the level that we want the progress to go to. So these black arrows, or these black lines, you can put any text on there above them or whatever. Say, okay, we just reached our $25,000 goal, or we reached 30% of our goal, whatever that you want to put there. And that's the whole reason for these black lines here. So right now I'm just going to set it up to this level right here. And now what we want to do is we want to put this element behind this image. So in order to do that, we right click on it and we select this icon right here that brings it to the back. So there we have it. Now let's preview it and watch what happens. See how it goes up to this particular level there. So let's go back to the return to edit. And now let's say now we want to change the level where we want it to go. Okay, we reached this goal and now we want to display to the users that we reached this goal up here. So in order to do that is you click on the top image, right click, send that to back. And now this image appears in the front. Now all we have to do is just resize it. Just grab this toggle and bring it up to the level that we want it to. And now bring it to the back. And now it's in back. Now watch what happens. Let's click preview. And see? And that's how that progress bar element works. So if you have any fundraising funnels, or if you want to display this on a particular website to show your users, your customers, what progress you have met in your goal, this is a way to do it in the Builderall platform using the Pixel Perfect editor. Thanks again for stopping by. If you haven't done so already, click on the subscribe button and click on that bell notification so you always get updated when a new video gets uploaded. And also please like, share, and comment. I upload videos every single week, and Builderall is one of the platforms that I use in my web design business. Thanks again for stopping by, and you have a great day.